Okay, so this is gonna be an 8x1 multiplexer. And here I have 8 inputs from 0 to 7. And then when my chip enable is on, based on the selection that I'm going to make, it will connect one of the inputs to the outputs. In this case, an LED that's here. So let's try it out. I've connected 9 as my chip enable. So if 9 is off, nothing happens. Select is at 0, 0, 0 now. And then these are all hot. From D1 until D7 are all hot. So I enable it. So D9 is on. And I have a light on. Because what's happening right now is the select is at 0, 0, 0. And it's connecting my 0 input, which is hot, to my output, the light, and turning the light on. Now let's try another one. Let's try to select 2. And the way I'd make 2 in binary is I go 1, 0, like this. So this is at 2. My enable is on. And as you can see, it's connected to the light, and the light is now on. And I can try to fiddle with 2. And I can see my light would turn on and off. Let's try other combination real quick. A 6. So it's 6 like this. 110 for a 6. And it's connected 6 to the output. So if I find 6 and I fiddle with it, and that's it.
Okay. So I'm gonna walk you through it, what I'm doing here. There's a library at the beginning, and then an entity called mux8x1 underscore case. Let's imagine this is it. Multiplexer with an input, an 8-bit input, 7 down to 0. So this is an 8-bit input, a 3-bit select line, and a chip enable. The select is 3-bit. That's gonna help me to select which input I'm on. And then an F, that's an output, 1-bit output. So I'm just gonna be an LED here. The architecture called WAMI of this entity is, there's a process which I called fart with a sensitivity list of deselect and chip enable. Begins here, and I end here. So basically, if my chip enable is 1, then I'm going through a bunch of combinations, and if my chip enable is 0, F gets a 0, so my output is a 0. However, if it's a 1, I'm going to start a case, and I'm going through all the different combinations. So F gets D0 if my select is 0, 0, 0, so on and so forth. And that's it. And you end your if, which you started here, and then end the process, and then end the architecture. And then I simply make sure I don't have any issues, and I declare my pins. Why I would do that is I Google the pin or the board, Altera D2 I'm using, pin, and then that's it. I just assign it.